really amazing. Like, this is crazy. What's going on, guys? So, I started at 6 a.m. It's about 2 hours later. I have to show you the funniest thing in the world. So, I'm completely broke. So, like, I basically spent money on subscriptions, trying to figure this stuff out or whatever. But, all right, so I basically quit my job and started my own business and wanted to build a game. This is the other game I did. It was so terrible. But now that I learned about Perplexity Computer, this just changes everything. Ironlog.co, okay? So, just so you guys can see, I'm literally scrolling up here. I want to build a workout app, right? And then I just scroll down. I'm like, okay. So it asked me some questions. I answered it. Then I'm like, trying to remember okay. I was like, yeah, hey, you got to link it to my Apple account. I am on a Mac. Can you connect it? I had to connect it on the back end, but it's very simple. Like, if you know what you're doing. As you can see here, $5.98 is what was left on my bank. And let's see what I have left here. I've been broke for a little while, but $0 as of 2000. That's all I had in the bank. I went ahead and built an app on the App Store, and I think I'm about to go live. I bought the domain name. I already have the Apple developer account. Okay, cool, cool. So yeah, I was asking to donate. Give me the code. Yeah, I was like, hey, deploy, and I'm like, is it easy? Because like, I know AI could get confusing, and it could get confusing for me. So I was like, hey, is it easy to donate $1 to cancer from this too? And then, so we went ahead and did that. We added a charity donation feature. Awesome. Very good. Very good. Processing on your end. Okay, great. Great. Wow. This is a really amazing. Like, this is crazy. Whole website, a whole app, free plan. We donating to charity, $5 a month. You get to try it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and definitely make it better based on like your reviews. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, we have a whole app. We're deploying it to the App Store. We have the website. I mean, we're pretty much we're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and link it. I mean, pretty much all I gotta do is just. So I used two subscriptions. I did a Perplexity Computer, and then I did Claude Code. You gotta set it up obviously, but that's about $400 a month. All the knowledge and all the other stuff I had to learn before that was crazy. But I had honestly, I had to sell my house. I had a property I had to sell and I'm closing on it tomorrow. Just a little bit about me. So I had enough money in the bank to cover exactly what I needed for the domain name. I hope I close the house tomorrow. I want to use it to, create more apps, help people, promote the channel, things like that, and hopefully donate to another charity as well. Let's see what happens. I really want to do this. Okay, great, great. It's visible. Full app deployment. Okay, great, great. Okay, so we have it. Okay, and then it's asking where to deploy it to, and I'm literally just gonna copy and paste that prompt to my Claude code here. And Claude code this one. And let's see what happens here. So, okay, it's done. All right, so I'm uploading it now. All right, thank you guys. I'm at 20 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. Proud of that. Started somewhere, you know what I mean? And hopefully this app helps out people so they could work out, keep track of their calories, be healthy, help them be healthy. And, get stronger in the gym as well, and tracking those PRs. That'd be great. So yeah, I don't know. I think I don't believe in coincidences. Do you guys? Comment in the video below. So yeah, it took me about, I guess, 2 hours to build an entire app. So I really think, yeah, I'm really just excited. Like this is a great time to be alive. I'm really happy to be here, and you guys have a good one.